In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Google Workspace plan. If you're not sure which Google Workspace plan your organization is on, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look in just a few clicks. This process takes place in the Google Admin Console, so you'll need to sign in with an account that has admin privileges. If you use a personal Gmail account, you won't see the billing options we're about to cover. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Workspace Admin or Google Admin Console. You're looking for the official Google Admin Console result. It typically appears at the top and directs you to the admin homepage. Double-check that the link is a Google domain before clicking so you know you're in the right place. When the admin console opens, sign in if you're prompted. Use your organization's admin credentials, and if you're signed into multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with your Workspace domain. You may be asked to complete two-step verification, which is normal for admin accounts. Once you're in the admin console, head to Billing. You'll find Billing in the main navigation on the left side of the screen. If your window is narrow, you might first click the menu icon to reveal the sidebar. The Billing section is where Google lists all subscriptions tied to your organization. Next, select Subscriptions. This page shows each active subscription associated with your domain. If your organization has more than one Google product, you'll see them listed here, each in its own row. On the Subscriptions page, look under the Subscription column. There, you'll see the name of your Google Workspace plan, such as Business Starter, Business Standard, Business Plus, or one of the Enterprise editions. This is the definitive place to confirm your plan. If you manage multiple domains or have different subscriptions for different teams, verify you're viewing the correct domain by checking the top right corner of the admin console. A couple of quick tips as you review. If you don't see billing or subscriptions, your account may not have the permissions required to view them. In that case, contact your organization's administrator. Also, if your plan name doesn't match what you expected, note it here so you can follow up with your billing contact or Google support later. That's all you need to view your Google Workspace plan. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double-check the steps.